I am here for the maximalist brides. Drop the veil. Sephora savings event has just slapped $600 worth of luxe makeup into my pro makeup kit. I got the Patrick Ta Sparkle, the Haus Labs Velvet, and the Makeup Forever Minis. Last but not least, the Urban Decay 24 eyeliners. And all for 20% off. So I am probably more excited than you are, but stay with me. I will be giving you guys some arm swatches. You'll see every pop of color like it's your wedding day, okay? My grand total was $480 after the Rouge Magic. Like, I'm so excited, guys. So excited, okay? I have 12 sealed beauties in my bag, and they are all bridal ready. All in this bag. Quick flex. Quick flex. Patrick Ta blush in Not Too Much. 2 Eye Illusion duos. 3 Haus Labs Power Sculpt. Makeup Forever mini lips. The value is $62, and I only got them for only $39. Crazy, I know. I got the Laura Mercier powder. I got the pink powder. Urban Decay 24-hour eyeliner in Tootsie. I got a few skincare, View by Inculus, and I got the Biodance mask. I got the Sephora Jumbo Cleaner. Yeah, I got the Inky List Omega Water Cream. It's $13. It's silky, zero peeling, mixes with SPF like a dream. Got the Inky List Eye Cream. Instant bright eyes, no creasing under shadow. Biodance mask. Pop one on my bride wedding morning for that instant glass skin. The Patrick Ta Eye Illusion for $42. I got it in You Don't Know Who I Am, Maple Sunset Sparkle, Hello Golden Hour. The second one is Talk to My Team, a champagne pink flip. Inner corner pop. Foil with the brush, zero fallout, all drama. Urban Decay liner in Tootsie for $23. It is a cool brown matte. I got the Patrick Ta blush in Not Too Much for $38. A soft rose taupe. Great for the North Carolina golden hour. Chef's kiss. I got the Haus Labs Power Sculpt. I got 3 of those for $38 each. Acacia Ember, the warm contour. Snatched. Soleil Sand, golden highlight. Glow. In Terra Soul. Blush topper, layered drama, velvet matte, and it builds like butter. I also got the Makeup Forever mini lip pencils, $39 for 4. An ombre potential, kiss proof, cake proof, drama proof. The Laura Mercier Ultra Blur powder in rose, peachy with the blur, zero flashback under light. And last but not least, the Sephora Jumbo Brush Cleaner. Spot clean between brides. Amazing as a pre-cleaner before I go in with a soap to deep clean my brushes. This entire haul cost me $480. It is bridal magic, and I just cannot wait to add it to my cart. My top 3 picks from this $480 haul is the Patrick Ta blushes. I have a few more on the way before the Sephora sale ends that they did not have in store. The Makeup Forever lip liners, because I have been told that they are amazing, and the Haus Labs contour. I'm really excited for that. I already had the Haus Labs foundation and concealers in my kit, so I know it's gonna be great. If you want this on your face, please DM me. Please DM me. I can give you guys a 15-minute consultation for free so we can talk about your big day. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Bye guys!